Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Namecheap VPN. So first of all, purchase a VPN plan in the Namecheap website. Select the VPN plan that suits your need and complete the purchase. Log into your Namecheap account, navigate to the VPN section, and download the VPN application for your device: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, etc. Right? Install and download VPN application on your device by following the on-screen prompts, and then open the VPN application and log in using your Namecheap credentials. Choose a server location from the list provided in the VPN application and click connect. Once connected, your internet traffic will be routed through the VPN server, ensuring your privacy and security online. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.